Hello traders. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will go over a beginner's understanding to Fibonacci. Let's get right into the video. Start by adding trusted signals to your charts. Click on the FX Indicators button at the top of TradingView, then click on Invite Only Scripts. Click on Trusted Signals. Now that we have this on our charts, let's look at some examples. Fibonacci. The key Fibonacci retracement levels to keep an eye on are 23.6%, 38.2%, 50.0%, 61.8%, and 76.4%. The levels that seem to hold the most weight are the 38.2%, 50.0%, and 61.8% levels, which are normally set as the default settings of most Forex charting software. Remember that Forex traders view the Fibonacci retracement levels as potential support and resistance areas. And because these levels tend to be closely watched by many Forex traders, the support and resistance levels may become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Similar to the retracement levels, the key Fibonacci extension levels are 38.2%, 50.0%, 61.8%, as well as the 100%, 138.2% and 161.8% extensions. Traders use the Fibonacci extension levels as potential support and resistance areas to set profit targets. Again, since so many Forex traders are watching these levels and placing buy and sell orders to take profits, these levels can often become the end of the trend move due to self-fulfilling expectations. In order to apply Fibonacci levels to your charts, you'll need to identify swing high and swing low points. A swing high is a candlestick with at least two lower highs on both the left and right of itself. A swing low is a candlestick with at least two higher lows on both the left and right of itself. When using Fibonacci tools, the probability of Forex trading success could increase when used with other support and resistance levels, trend lines, and candlestick patterns for spotting entry and stop loss points. Let's look at how Trusted Signals can plot the Fibonacci for us. In this example, we can see that Trusted Signals has already drawn the Fibonacci for us from swing point to swing point. We can also see that price is respecting these Fib levels, and gave us multiple entries when price rejects off of one of the Fib levels. We can turn Trusted Signals on and see that we also have a sell signal. We enter with our stops at the 0 Fib and our take profit at the 0.786 Fib level. As you can see, we have a winning trade. Trusted Signals, when used properly, is a very powerful tool. It can help take your trading to the next level. Okay traders, that is all for today's video. Leave a comment down below and let us know what videos you would like to see with Trusted Signals. If you have not purchased Trusted Signals, the link will be in the description below. Be sure to take advantage of that if you haven't already, because Trusted Signals is on sale and you don't want to miss out. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Be sure to join the Discord group where we hold giveaways, learn, and profit together. All links for Trusted Signals will be in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.